کرنا تھا کیونکہ ہم یہ کہہ رہے تھے کیونکہ میرے ساتھ میری امی ہے، ان کو ڈیمینشیا ہے.
اوکے.
اور امی کو ڈیمینشیا ہے اور میرا چھوٹا بیٹا جو ہے وہ 3 سال کا ہے. اور لیکن جیسے ہمارا سفر جو ہے ہم یہاں سے نکلیں گے صبح 6 بجے، پھر ہم نے دوحہ اسٹاپ کرنا ہے 6 آور کے لیے. تو دوحہ سے آگے ہم پھر آگے جائیں گے، تو سفر بھی کافی لمبا ہے. تو ہم کہہ رہے تھے اگر ہمیں کسی نے ایڈوائز کی تھی کہ ہم یہاں سے جا کے سیدھا کیونکہ صبح ہم ہوٹل میں پہنچے، یہاں سے نکلیں گے انگلینڈ کے یو کے ٹائم حساب سے صبح 6 بجے، اور ہم وہاں پہ پہنچیں گے نیکسٹ ڈے 3 in the morning، صبح 3 بجے نا ہوٹل میں پہنچیں گے.
It doesn't make any difference. It doesn't make any difference. If you are traveling for Umrah, you have to observe or you have to wear Ahraam from Miqat, wherever you are.
Right.
If you wear,
So we
if
can't be where we can go to the hotel first and then go
you
first to the
can
Aishan stop.
you can go to hotel, stay there for couple of hours or couple of days in Ahram, and then you can perform your Umrah. But
Right. Okay, but you have to stay in your ihram.
you will be in Ahram, yes.
Right. Okay. So you'd rather, if you're going to be in ihram, then because obviously you don't want to break any rituals or anything, then you'd rather just go and perform the umrah. I think that would be better.
That is better. That is better. Yes.
Right. Okay. Yeah, because we was advised that we'd be able to go and stay at the hotel and rest and then go there for the day.
Why not? Why not go and stay and rest in the hotel couple of hours and then perform your Umrah. There is no harm.
Okay. That's fine. But you have to wear your ihram from the miqat, yeah?
From the miqat, exactly.
Right. Okay. I'm with you. Jazakallah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your
And
advice. Thank you.
Keep watching my channel if you don't watch.
I know I will do now. I'll keep watching. I'll start watching it because this is my father-in-law that you just spoke to.
Very good.
So we all come in like a very big group. We're coming. It's about 20 of us.
May Allah accept your journey and may Allah accept your Umrah.
Inshallah. Ameen.
Ameen. Allah aapki hifazat kare.
Oh, do you live in Makkah?
No, I live in Jeddah.
You live in Jeddah. Right. Okay. Do you want anything from the UK?
I just want your safe journey, sister.
Inshallah. If you want anything at all, just give us a call and we'll bring it for you.
Thank you so much. You're very kind, bete.
Yeah, we'll be there inshallah on the 3rd of February.
Okay.
And if you require anything at all, your kids or your wife or anybody, just give us a call and we'll be more than happy to bring it for you.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
Jazakallah. Thank you.
We are.